Today we're going to go over kind of an old school thing. We're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate. I know that's when my channel got a lot bigger, was when I was drawing these characters, but this is for beginners and complete beginners. I mean, step by step, all right? So that's pretty much it. Stay till the very end of the video. It's a very short video. All right, let's do it. Let's go over and draw this Among Us Imposter. Draw a line like across the middle here, kind of like pretty typical. We draw like a line up, right there, kind of like the Pac-Man sign. Line up, and I'm gonna go draw a line down over here, curve over here the front, curve, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pull another curved line down to kind of meet that one. Go over here, curve down. Right on. I'm gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna find a small short line back. I'm gonna curve back over here. Pulling in. Down. Yeah, kind of to the feet area. Then go over here, down this area. Over here on this side, curve along the bottom, up, and line right here. Over here on this side now I'm going to curve around here and draw a line right there, kind of because it's like squishing. It's going to be the backpack. Down over here, up. So we still gotta get into the teeth here. So I'm gonna go over here on this side. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just triangle shapes, relatively easy and simple. Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a circle with kind of a thinner stroke, and this would be more of a highlight. I'm gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve like so, and over here I'm gonna do a wiggly line here. Just go nuts with it. Ooh, I forgot over here on this one I want to draw a little bit of a bend right there, an overlap, because he's bending his whole body. Kind of opening up like a zipper. And I'm going to go over here on this side now, and I'm going to try to follow that tongue. So over here, kind of follow a pattern of that tongue. And I'm going to close that pattern over here at the end by pulling it down. Let's go over here and draw the split in the tongue, otherwise it's going to look like a cloud or something. So I'm going to go over here and draw a line from up, kind of in the center, right? And over here, zigzag. Zigzag there. I'm going to go here. Another. It's gonna be the dark of the mouth, you know, so it looks like, you know, more real. And you can throw just kind of various detail lines. So you can draw thin lines over here along the tongue itself. Curve over here. Curve over here. To show this some texture, right? That looks a lot more organic than the rest of him. And you could even draw, as far as organic goes, you can go behind the corner of the mouth here, maybe draw like a curved line, like he's really, you know, opening the mouth. Putting some shadow behind that, some shadow behind that. Excuse me. And there's some line over here, line over here, line over here. Just kind of put lines right there for some dimension on the lower leg area, and to kind of, again, make the whole thing a little bit more. And I can do that on the back of the head here as well too. A little bit more dimensional, like it has. It's almost like a style thing that you can throw into the drawing itself. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, you could maybe fill in one of these so here in the highlight. So I could probably fill in this area, like totally. It's gonna look way more crazy looking if I fill it in. Yeah, that looks wild. Oh man. And then you could draw some thinner lines. When you draw thin lines or detail lines, just gonna make it look, you know, again, more attention to detail is always a good thing. So that's pretty much what you want to do. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.